Okay, so I've discovered this thing has about 6th hour run out, or 0.15 millimeter run out. There we are, there it is. Now I'm not sure if that's the quill being out of alignment or a cheap Chinese chuck, but if I wobble the quill, I'm suspecting I can barely move that. Just about. That is quite a lot though, still quite a lot. Let's just see now if it made any difference to that. Still got a shitload of run out. I'm going to try it with something else and see if it runs true with something else in the chuck, or if it's this. But that's quite a lot of run out, so we'll have to compensate for that or make ourselves new bearings or something.